partly cloudy, and 73 at the Dells. It was mostly clear, with a temperature of 67 at Portland.
This is NOAA weather in Pendleton, broadcasting from KIG 75 in Yakima. The current time is 10:43 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Wind advisory for the following area in Washington, Kittitas Valley. Wind advisory remains in effect until 11 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time this evening. Winds northwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. The strongest winds will occur across the north side of the valley. Timing: winds will peak between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. Impacts: the strong winds will make travel difficult on area highways, especially for high-profile vehicles. Also, loose objects may be lifted and become airborne. A wind advisory means that winds of 35 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. The forecast